Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're here with Scott, and today we're talking about something very simple, but something that was driving me up the wall and almost caused me to smash my head against a brick wall. And that is how to get photos and videos from your iPhone to your computer. This is something that I thought was incredibly straightforward. I've done it in the past, but for some reason on my iPhone XR, when I plugged it in with the USB to my PC, it just didn't want to download the photos. It would sync, but I wouldn't be able to get access to them. I opened it in Windows Explorer and tried to drag them across, but it kept giving errors. Anything I did, I just could not get the HD footage from my phone to my computer. So very simple way of doing it, which I'm going to show you today. Okay guys, so seriously, this is dead easy. All you do is you go to Google and you type in Google Photos, if I can type. Go in here and you click go to Google Photos. So if you have a Google account or a Gmail account, then this will work for you straight away. Otherwise you'll need to set one up. Once you're signed in with your Google account, you'll see something like this. Now you can do this from your phone as well, because you'll need to download the app on your phone anyway, but I'm simply doing it from my PC because it's easier to show you guys. And so if you've already been in here before for some reason, what you want to do is come to this bit in the corner here, come to settings and tick original. Now, this is actually quite important. You only get 15 gigabytes of free full resolution storage, but if you tick the free unlimited storage, it'll actually scale all your videos down. If you took it on an iPhone and it was in 1080, it will actually scale it down to 360, and you don't really want that. It actually looks quite bad, but if you don't care, that's fine. The 15 gigabytes is fairly plenty if you're just uploading videos at a time and then deleting them off here once they're saved on your computer. It's kind of like a transfer medium in a way. So tick that. Okay, so once you've set up Google Photos on your computer or phone, as I did on computer, you're going to come to your phone, you're going to go to the App Store, you're going to search for Google Photos and download this app. You wait for it to download. Once that has finished downloading, simply open the app, of course, and then log in. Now, once you're logged in, you can back up if you want, but if you have like a lot of photos, say for example 10,000 like I had, it will take at least 6 hours to back that up. So if you're just using this to quickly transfer everything across, click do not back up. You can see that the photos from your camera roll will be appearing there. So I just took an example photo of a tree in my backyard. All you do is you click the photo, click these three dots up the top here, and you click back up. So that will send that up to Google Photos. Okay, now while we're in here, before we go back to the computer, I just wanted to point out this last setting. So as I was talking about having the high resolution versus the complete original resolution, once you're on the app here, you do want to confirm that setting. So what you do is you come to your settings, backup and sync, and you have to turn on the backup and sync for this. I didn't realize, but you can always cancel it after if you don't want to back up all your stuff. Now you come to upload size and you select original. I think by default it will select high quality because they don't want you using up all this original. But yeah, it gives you 15 gigabytes of free storage. And if you do reach that mark somehow, which it is easy to do, but if you're just using this as a middle ground to copy things over, once you're done with them, just delete them out of Google Photos and save them to a hard drive and you're all sorted. Once your photo is shown as uploaded on your phone, you can come back to your computer, simply click refresh in Google Photos and your photo or video should appear. You can click on it, you can come to these three dots in the top right hand corner and you can click download, and it will download your photo. Now, if you get a weird format here like I have, you can simply open the photo in, say, Microsoft Paint, and you can save it as a PNG or a JPEG. That's not a problem. You should do that quite easily. If you have multiple photos here or videos here, you can click the tick in the top left-hand corner and select as many as you want. And then once you're done, you simply click these dots again and click download, and you will get a zip file. Obviously I'll just get the photo because I only have one, but yes, if it was multiple, you'll get a zip file. That brings us to the end of another video. If you learned something today, feel free to subscribe, add another subscription to your sub box. Be pushing out a lot of new content for you guys. So if there's anything you want to see, feel free to let me know. I welcome you to the family, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.